equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean, static-free workspace. First, power off your Dell Inspiron 5406 and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the keyboard connector, which is usually situated near the top of the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by lifting the locking tab. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek assistance. Now, it's time to remove the old keyboard. Depending on your model, there may be additional screws securing the keyboard in place. If so, remove these screws as well. Once the screws are out, gently lift the keyboard from the top edge and slide it upwards to detach it from the clips at the bottom. Before installing the new keyboard, take a moment to clean the area. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside your laptop. This will help ensure optimal performance and longevity of your new keyboard. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the clips at the bottom of the laptop. Press down gently until it clicks into place. Reconnect the keyboard cable by sliding it back into the connector and securing the locking tab. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop anywhere. Once the keyboard is secured, replace any screws you removed earlier. Then, reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, replace the screws you set aside earlier to secure the back panel. Before powering on your laptop, double-check that all screws are tightened and that the keyboard is firmly in place. Now, flip your laptop back over, plug it in, and power it on. Test the new keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. With your new keyboard installed, you can enjoy a refreshed typing experience on your Dell Inspiron 5406. Happy typing! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.